Hi there, I'm Sam, this is Dom, and we're the owners of the Refillery. The Refillery is a weigh and pay, single-use plastic-free grocery store that allows you to live with as little waste as possible.
We started it 2.5 years ago, having completed Plastic-Free July when we were living in New Zealand. And when we had children, we thought we'd give that a go just to see what sort of an impact we could have on our own lifestyle. Once we completed that, we thought maybe there's a better way and some way that we can help and be part of a bigger picture.
So we started the Refillery and we opened up our flagship store, which is actually this one, Cedar Square, just over 2.5 years ago. And it went so well that within a year we managed to open up our second one, which is in Morningside Shopping Centre. COVID hit, pretty dampening, but we managed to keep going as we have an online website, so we delivered nationwide. And then luckily within this last year, we've managed to open up another 3 branches. So we now officially have one in Pretoria East at Woodlands, also one in Hyde Park, and we've just opened one in Linden as well. So what does the future of the Refillery look like? Well, next year we're hoping we can open up a few stores in Cape Town as well as Durban.
We'd really love to be able to give as many communities as possible the plastic-free shopping experience so that as many people as possible can really have the true experience in store.
So just like in our lives, we live as plastic-free as possible, but it's not always perfect. And there's a quote that we live by that says we don't need a handful of people doing zero waste perfectly, but rather 1 million people doing it imperfectly. And we like to think we live that ethos as well. We believed in the Refillery so much that actually we sold up our house, moved countries and moved back to South Africa and opened the Refillery. So up until this point, it's been self-funded by ourselves, and we've even managed this year to open up our first franchise, which has been quite exciting.
And then to grow further now, we're looking at taking on strategic partners to help us in that growth so that they can really gain access for us into all these different communities that we'd love to be able to be part of.
We believe everybody is at their own stage of their own sustainable journey. So we support everyone no matter what, whether you come in store and buy one item or need some advice on how to compost, for example, or something that is affecting their lives that they wish to change. And it's been interesting to see how people have perceived the store, coming in initially, buying one thing, trying it out, and slowly but surely adding things that work in their lives and other aspects that they want to grow from a sustainability perspective.
When we first opened the store, we had a very small core of eco-warrior customers who were loyal to the concept and were fantastic in helping us build our brand. And as we've grown, it's been amazing to see how many people have been trying us out and adding one product here, one product there in growing their zero waste journey. So the partnership with Epson has been fantastic for us as the Refillery. Having the support of such a huge business like Epson for such a tiny little business like us, it's amazing really, and that support is just fantastic.
It really is an incredible partnership that we've been offered to have this ColorWorks label printer. On site, we print on demand. We're able to use it for our day-to-day branding where usually we'd have to send out in longer lead times, as well as minimum order quantities that for a small business we just often can't quite do. But on another level, it's allowed us the creativity to offer limited edition products, things that we've thought up for the weekend that we know people will love, but we can't quite brand it perfectly. So we always say if it's worth doing, do it well. And with this printer, now we're able to do that.